Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm showcasing another one of my Femboy 8 programs. This one's called Notes. You can write notes, append to it. Let me just paste in the assembly code. So yeah, this is utilizing a new feature I call markers. I don't know what it's called in other assemblers, but you use them as values, you could jump to them, basically pretty simple usage. But all that's explained in the assembler guide, which I just wrote, and yeah, you guys could go check that out if you want. Anyways, let's go check out this program. There's about 5 different commands that you could use. First of them is edit, which is E. You'll be given this little prompt right here, and then you have to choose a number between 0 and 9, because you can have 10 maximum notes. And yeah, so let's just write to 0, and then now it's cleared, it indicates that it's time to write stuff. So I'm just gonna write Femboy. And in order to exit writing mode, just press add a period. It won't be written to the note. Now the next instruction is A, which is append. Allows us to append stuff pretty much. And yeah, let's append to 0. There's also C, which clears it. Yeah, let's use list to see what notes we have. So right now it's showing we only have 0, and it's scanning all the addresses to check if we have any there. So it looks like we only have 0. Let's use visualize. Anyways, let's view 0, and then it will type it out. It works crazy good. Like, I do not get how I was able to make this, to be honest. This is utilizing 90% of the 256 byte memory that this thing has. Let's go right to a new file. Oops. Can't tell the difference between a lot of the letters, so it's best if you keep to the right commands. Let's go ahead and edit 5. Let's put hello world. If we use list, you will see that it has 0 and 5. Let's go ahead and view 5. Let's see what that brings us. View 5. Yeah, pretty simple. Let's just append something to it just for fun. And 5. By the way, this is 122 lines of assembly, I'm pretty sure, which is about 244 bytes. Visualize it. View this again. View 5. That happens when you go over the limit of 24 letters. Earlier, when I typed in femboy are cool, it probably locked file 1. Yeah, let's just try out edit 1 and see what happens. If we list it, will it be there or will it not? It looks like it isn't, because it was locked by the overflowing 0 file. Let's go try view 0. And it'll type it out pretty normally until it gets to the end where, yeah, if we try view 1, it just doesn't show anything. For some reason, it's not the data that's corrupted, but only the length. I have no idea why it does that. Pretty funny that I made the CPU and I programmed this program and I still have no idea what's going on in it. Just so you guys know, I actually include it as a ROM right here, notes, next to write. And by the way, the difference between this is write just like puts, it just takes hello, puts it out, puts hello. Anyways guys, all for today, see you guys in the next video, and have fun programming this CPU I made, if you are going to.